Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, what you have to do, just click here and then type background apps. Now once you're here, just make sure to disable the first option to turn off all those applications here, and then close it. And after that, type here task manager and click on it. And now just go to startup, and here you need to close all the to disable all the applications that you don't want to start when you start your PC, like Spotify and stuff like that. Right click and you will find here disable, click on it, and now go to processes. Before that you need to go to Windows, update settings. Now once you're here, just click check for updates, and just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then just to start your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.